What's up, guys? Um, Thought I'd share my Zippo collection with you guys. Um, so here it is. I'll do close-ups, so hopefully the camera won't freak out because of the light and the sheen on some of the lighters. So we'll start down here. Say Zippo cigarette or cigar. Hopefully that'll come in. Cigar cutter. This is a Zip Light. It doesn't work. They don't make these anymore. It's hard to find ones that actually do work. Zippo tape measure. And then these are some inserts for Zippos that they're like butane. This is a Zippo coin holder. It actually holds quarters. There's that. Zippo lanyard. Bandana. A Zippo CD case. If I can open this. Probably not. Sorry. It's kind of slippery. Anyway, I've never opened it. It's always been in the cover. Anyway, I didn't know Zippo made CD cases, but apparently they do, so I got one. And we'll start down here. These are all Zippo lighters that I collect. Lighters that have the Zippo logo on them. Patriotic lighters. And a couple of them I don't have down here. But and then just designs that I kind of liked. This is supposed to be a guy on a horse. Poor Boy Trucking. Chevy. Leonard Skinner. Some random. This is one of the slim ones. And the Bunking Bronc. Brickyard. Vultures. This is one of the plated ones. I think this one's called Whirlwind or something. One with Celtic design. Panda Skull. Harley Davidson. Area 51. Instead of a non-smoking, this is a smoking Zippo. This is my channel logo. Second Amendment. This is a Zippo lanyard. The case, Bumblebee Zippo. It's just a plain white one. These, you open it up and it has the 8-ball going into the pocket. Another 4-leaf clover. San Francisco 49ers. I'm from the Bay Area, so that's my team. Just one that I got. Another Chevy Trucks. Harley Davidson. This is the 2000 Millennial Celebration one. And then Zippo Garage. Goodrich. This is Fearless. This one has an SS on it. It's supposed to be Sharon Stone. Got it on an auction, but I doubt that this was actually owned by Sharon Stone. But anyway, it was cheap. It's my patriotic ones, my Don't Tread on Me, Harley Davidson American flag, NRA, POW, MIA, another one with the badge on it, and then that one. We'll move over to my ones with the logos. So this is a Zippo Slim with the logo on it. 60th anniversary. This is a 50-year anniversary. This is the brass. This one just has the flames in a ring. Eagle. Pipe lighter. Zippo car. Zippo tricks. This one comes with a little leaflet that shows you how to do tricks with Zippos. Just thought that one was cool. A windy girl. Another Zippo. Bottoms up. And I don't know what that one is. Oh, Zippo Day. National Zippo Day 2004. So anyway, those are all my Zippos. Still collecting. Still got a couple that I want to get. And I just collect them as I go along. I was into it really big. Just, you know, one a month or so. And then I kind of slowed down because I got into other things like knives and guns. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you.